Tired of not knowing what to post? With Dynal.AI, you can instantly create personalized, buzzworthy LinkedIn posts designed just for you. To get started, simply click Connect LinkedIn to link your LinkedIn account with Dynal.AI. Then, under the input box, go to Setup and fill in your information, preferences, and growth goals. Click Confirm to save. Next, hit Refresh, and voila! Your custom list of trending topics will appear below the input box. Pick the one that excites you the most, and watch Dynal.AI generate a tailored post and a beautiful accompanying image in seconds. Dynal.AI is your LinkedIn creation agent. It understands your ideas, reasons through your content, and takes action, turning inspiration into impactful posts. Amazing Dynal.AI has already created something great for you, but you can always refine it further. Just click Edit to tweak or completely reshape your post. Swap out elements, rewrite content, the image and message are all yours to control. Once you're satisfied, click Publish. Your post will be automatically published on LinkedIn, ready to attract attention and spark conversation. So, are you ready? Try Dynal.AI today and craft LinkedIn posts that stand out. Subscribe to our channel for more. Make every post an opportunity. Your ideas deserve to be seen.